Dërgoj dritën na.
Hey yo, what's good everybody? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So to all my Albania supporters, I want to say thanks to everyone who is showing so much support on my page. It's been a very good thing to see you all hopping over to a Jamaican supporter of your country. So because of the support that you guys are giving, I'll now give back my support to y'all. So I'll be reacting to Zjerm by Shkodra Elektronike official music video. So to all my Albanians out there, it's a pleasure to have you guys here. Yes, a question. Do anyone who's watching this video knows the Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And with that being said, let's go. Okay, so she's sounding good. She's sounding good. And I love her appearance. Her appearance seems to be appearing cool. Yes, this video is cool. It's good to look at, right? Her appearance seems to be outlandishly amazing, right? With the transitioning of the video, it's so cool. One of the best videos in the competition, right? I think these people deserves to raise in this competition because they are very good visuals, very good energetic feeling. Yeah, bro. So when I speak about the difference in music, we have to include Albania. We have to include Shkodra because she's different, she's unique. Her style that she brings forth to people, it's so loud in their faces. It's so loud in my face because her differences speaks a lot. Her voice is as beautiful as they come, right? So I have to come out and say, damn, that's good. That's really good. Oh, his voice is awesome. Rap. His voice is awesome, bro. Damn, I wasn't expecting that. Hey, that's good. That's really good, bro. That's spectacular, bro. That's spectacular. I mean, like, his raspy voice alongside with her cute voice, it brings forth a good chemistry, bro. Very good. Something is cooking up here, bro. I love it, bro. I love the momentum here, dog. Let's continue. I'm impressed. I am impressed. And you know what makes me here watching this video? It's because of the impression that they are giving. With the bro sitting in the chair with the newspaper is burning and his glasses is looking through that newspaper with the reflection on that glasses. Bro, that's cool as fuck. Like her movement is as cool as fuck, bro. The video is entirely cool, bro. Damn, bro. Let's continue. Very good. Very good. That was extraordinary to watch. You know, it's a very entertaining video. You know, with everything that I saw here, it's very unique, singular, and different. So if you guys enjoy my reaction, remember to leave a like, you know, subscribe for more, hit the bell icon because it's a guaranteed position that I'll be checking out some more of these content by these individuals. So I'll see you guys in another video, bro. Peace.